What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to go in the market and say, hey, this is my setup, this is my strategy. Once you give me my setup, my strategy, I'll go ahead and execute. So with that all set, let us begin. All right. And right now, what you're looking at is SPY. This is the pre-market action here. As you can see, SPY is pretty bullish today, right? So we went ahead and we will go ahead and mark our supply and demand. That's how we trade. We trade what? Supply and demand on the 10-minute. How do we identify supply and demand on the 10 minutes? By looking at wicks, marking wicks. So there's a wick right here. There's a wick right here. There are wicks right here. So we go ahead and mark them. So this would be the color red, right? This would be the color red. All right, cool. Very good, very good. You see that color red? What happened as the price started even getting closer to this level? It started already getting wick. You know what I mean? This is a selling wick right here, right? So the top wicks are sellers, and the bottom wicks are buyers pushing it up, creating a wick, and vice versa on the upside as well. So this is pretty straightforward here with SPY's looking pretty good for, marking today. I know that last Friday wasn't looking good. It was like, a lot of wicks. This is also a really nice one. Look at it right here too, So market's going to open in the next 5 minutes here. So we're going to sit back, relax, and execute our plan with SPY looking at these levels here, as you guys can see, right? Very good. And then so now let us go ahead and go to Tesla real quick and go ahead and mark our supply and demand. Ooh, Tesla's not looking too bad at all. I like what I'm seeing with Tesla here. There's a lot of wicks here, so the chart looks clean as well too. So that I like that. So there's a wick right here, as you guys can see. And this wick also got families, so that's even better. So right, if there's a level, there's also multiple families that live there. That tells you it has a very high support, right? The community is strong, right? The community is strong. There's a lot of neighboring, I'm trying to get some sort of relations you guys can understand, right? So this wick's right here, also supported by these other wicks as well too. So this neighborhood it's a good neighborhood. It's a lot of people that are there. People like the neighborhood, you know what I mean? So it's very good. It's very good. So that's a good support. There's a support here for this neighborhood. You could just call it at that, right? Let's go ahead and duplicate this and go to the high that it did. Look what happened when it came here. We also started seeing a bunch of wicks. Right now, Tesla is reacting to the view up and looking to move up. So, so let's go ahead and mark that red, because right, this is already red anyway. So there we go. This one would be green because it went above it and it also came to retest it, and it also showed wick, right? Before it was underneath, came to it, retested and it rejected it, rejected, and finally moved above it. So that's very good. It's also a wick here, right? You can also mark this wick here. Let's go ahead and duplicate this. So there's a zone here, you could call it. So you could start to buy the price as soon as it gets to this level, really. Right? Take a look at this wick right here, right? And this little wick right here. So there's a zone here. And also right here too. Let's go ahead and mark right here. Let's go ahead and... So Tesla's actually looking pretty good for trading then. They're both actually looking very good for trading either direction. I like how Tesla looks more clean. So we're going to go ahead and sit back, relax, and wait for these next 30 minutes. Once the market open, we'll go ahead and execute our plan. So while we wait, we're going to go ahead and have two screen up for Tesla and SPY, just so we can see both openings, how they open here, right? So that SPY is up the top screen, and we're going to have Tesla on the bottom screen. So we're just going to visual, just take a look at this, right? So quick questions here, right? Once the market opened, you already saw what happened at this level, right? It got some wick, it's already rejecting it. Yes, it went to the VWAP area along with the support and bounced back at it. If the market were to open, can we take a put right here, right after bat? We could. We're seeing here, we could. We're also seeing this, indication here. We could get a rejection. We could also bounce up too, because we are very close to the VWAP. So we'll see what happens here. I am willing to, of course, place a put at the opening here. Light put though is very risky because we are close to the VWAP as well as this level, right? So we could see it push up even further. And the very fact that we bounce off from here, we'll see. We will see. Right now it's showing some wick already, as you guys can see, and the market is about to open very soon here. I'm gonna be prepared to place a put for what's it called, for SPY. Pretty risky for sure. All right, here we go. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Okay. Market is open, by the way, just a heads up. If I'm seeing wick, I'm going to go ahead and place. There is no wick, so I'm not going to do it, of course. If I'm seeing wick, I'm going to go ahead and place a put for SPY here. Okay, I went ahead and placed a light put. I'm seeing a small wick, but it's pretty dangerous. I'm not going to lie. It's not looking the best. So we'll see what happens here. I should have went for what's it called here. Then I should have went for this one instead of that one. But I want to see if we can see a wick here. If we're not seeing a wick, I'm going to get out of this put. We're not seeing a wick. Come on, push that down. This needs to be pushed down or else I'm going to get out of this position. So there's no wick, so I have to be prepared here. It's resistance. That's good. We're going to see it. Come on, can we see a wick? If we're not seeing a wick, I got to get out. All right, cool. We're going to get out. I figured this would be a call opportunity, to be honest. There's no reason for me to, place a put. But I was very curious to see the amount of levels that were above it. I really thought that we might see a wick, so that's why I was prepared to, place a put. We'll go ahead and refresh our, P&L, which is fine. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I could have switched to a 2. My bad. I could have probably switched. All right, cool. We're seeing a wick here. See for on the buying side here for Tesla. Up. We're seeing some wick here. Yeah, I could have right away switched to a call, by the way. I don't know why I didn't do that. That would have been a good idea, because if you're not seeing wick, that means it wants to continue upward. So we're going to see this next level here. It's approaching the next level, resistance. See if we're going to see a wick there. If we do, we'll go ahead and place a put. Tesla's not looking too good. Right now, it crossed this level here for Tesla. So Tesla could be an opportunity for a put, actually. Oh, wow. We really did miss this, innit? Should have made a call. Understanding what was going on. The fact that we're not seeing wick and we're approaching these major levels, I should have go ahead and what? This is water, by the way. I should have go ahead and what? Place the call. So that was a little bit my fault. We're fine, guys. It's Monday. It's a little bit of a, you know what I mean? Monday can be a bit psychologically, trading Mondays is a bit you're kind of emotionally driven, you know what I mean? Yeah, so Tesla is crossing this level, so Tesla's looking for a put here at this candle. Yep, we missed this one. So we're fine, guys. Don't worry. We will get a trade. We're not worried about it at all. Yeah, I should have went in on a put as soon as we were crossing this level. So it's fine. It is Monday. We're fine. This happens to me on Monday, by the way. And that's okay. That's all right. We'll go over it. There's no reason for us to miss this call here. No reason for us not to trade a put here as soon as we had this VWAP crossing. There was no reason at all. No reason for us to miss this trade. Can I still place a, maybe I could trade a call here, but I don't like the fact that it's very low. If I start to see a wick, I'll start to place a call, actually, now that I think about it. If I see a wick here, I will start to place a call. I'm seeing some level of resistance, so I'm going to go ahead and place one here. Pretty risky, of course, because you're very below the VWAP. And if we're not seeing any wick, I'm willing to get out. If I start to see the wick move up, because again, I'm trading here, right? I'm trading this wick here. See if we can get a reversal here. If we can't, I will leave. We're not seeing any wick at all, so I have to start to get out, and it crossed it, so I'm getting out, and I'm getting out. See that? Because it crossed it here. There's no reason for us to hold this position because it crossed. Oh, the wick is back on. So now we can buy. Good. Very good. Now we can buy. Good. Now we got the wick. Here we go. Good. It was just a bit late. That's fine. Let's go ahead and refresh our P&L here. See if we can hold up this wick here. Okay. Get into that level. So I'm going to go ahead and cool some off here. Let's go ahead and focus only on Tesla real quick, since we're in Tesla right now. Yeah, I was waiting for this wick and it came a little late, so we're fine. Let's go ahead and clear one out as well. because let's go ahead and refresh up here now. We're in the green right now, so we'll see. Okay, good. We ended with the wick here. We also closed below the VWAP, so I really don't like that for a call, to be honest. So we may have to sell this at a break even. We're gonna have to sell this if we get back to this level. We're gonna continue to hold on to it though. Actually, let's take a look at SPY while we wait for this one to do its thing. Oh, why the draft look like that? Okay, we're gonna have to start selling this because if it goes below here, we're gonna have to call it a day. Right, and now it's going below it, so we have to what? All right, here we go. You don't want to be in a call at this point because the wick is getting cleared. Why would you want to be in a call, right? Why would you want to be in a call if the wick is getting cleared? Don't do that. Do you not like your life, right? So you see that wick came back to that spot again. Can we clear this? If we're not, all right, cool, we're out. Just like that. That's just how you trade, guys. That's it. That's it. I was not expecting for this to come back down again. I thought we were gonna move up because of this, but again, you are trading against the VWAP and as well as this level, so it's kind of expected for that might happen. That's fine. That's very fine. And now we crossed this level, so I could definitely place a put actually. Now that I think about it, you know what I mean? It's pretty late for a put. I'll just take one in. You know what I mean? I'm just trading this zone here. See if we're gonna really move out of this zone. If we start to move up into the zone, I'll place another put. All right, so now we're getting a wick. Now we're going outside of the zone. So as long as we're below this zone, I'll continue to add my put here. We're fine. But anything above this zone here, I'll have to, you know, respect my loss. So I'm trading here at this point, all right? I'm trading what? This zone. Because we crossed this zone, I went ahead and placed a put. That's what I did with Tesla right now, right? So we're coming near this spot here, this wick here. So I'm going to have to call it a day, sell something here, right? We're approaching this one. I'm not going against this one, right? This is the low of the day, ain't it? So I took just one out just to be cautious here because we could get a wick, which we did. Look at that. So this wick is potential that we could move all the way up. But we will see. We will see. This is expected. You see that? This is what? Expected. So based on this level of rejection, I think we might go all the way down. I'm willing to hold this one put. Just leave it alone and see what happens here. In the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at SPY. Keep in mind here with Tesla on the top screen. See if we can get a trade here for Tesla, for SPY. Because SPY is also looking to cross the VWAP, and if he does, we'll go ahead and place a put. Oh wow, look at that. It did went below. So that wick immediately got getting cleared up. All right, it's another test for that wick to see. All right, here we got here for SPY. Oh, I think there's a glitch here, guys, because this candle is not showing. Oh, never mind. There is no glitch. That was just a 5-minute. Okay. So we'll see what happens here. So let us relax and we'll see what happens here. So this is the low for the pre-market, and that's how we get in this wick here, this reaction. Just keep that in mind. And we're gonna sell this for if the body goes above this zone here, we're gonna have to get out of our put. You know what I mean? I could actually place more put right now, actually, with now that I think about it. With Tesla. The amount of resistance that this is having. You know what I mean? I don't mind adding one more put. So we'll see what happens. I need this wick to be cleared on the downside. There should not be no wick here. You know what I mean? This wick needs to be cleared and pushed down. If it is, that means sellers are doing good. Sellers are doing what? They're doing very good. Okay. Good. Very good. You see that? Wick has been cleared. Once we cross this level and go all the way down, we're likely going to move all the way down. And I'm willing to trade and see if that's going to happen. But again, I know what I'm going to be doing, right? If this moves up out of this zone, I'll be getting out of the position, right? That means buyers are heavy enough to want to push it all the way up. Cool. Right now, SPY is getting a push from the upside. We're now, look at that. We're finally getting that wick I was talking about, right? So we'll see what happens here for SPY. Good, good. The wick's getting cleared for Tesla. So let us be patient here with Tesla. And I'm waiting for SPY. How is SPY gonna open up in the next 1 minute? Okay, SPY is only on the top, so that means SPY looks to move up. So there is a wick here, so I'll be trading SPY on the downside if we were to go on the downside. Right now, SPY is sweet for a call because you're above the view up and above this, what's it called, and above this level here. You know what I mean? Above this level here, this daily level. And we also got a wick over here. So SPY may reverse, but at the same time, it's looking good for a call. It's looking what? Very good for a call. But I'd rather trade on the downside. I think there's just more room on the downside for me than to trade on the upside. Even though there's a lot of room on the upside, we're fine. Both are fine, really. Good. We're getting a wick here already, this level. Look at that, right? Sellers are already claiming this level because we're already seeing a wick here. So we'll see what happens if buyers really do step up, because now this is a major level, guys. This is a what? This is a level right here. This is a major level, right? Look what happened here when the price was here. Yeah. So that could happen. You know what I mean? That could happen. And so I'm going to just either give back this gain, you know what I mean? Or we'll see if we're going to break this level. Cool. We're approaching that zone here. So I'm going to see if Tesla's going to, you know, trade on the downside here. Or SPY, I should say. But good. It's getting a rejection. Very good. All right, I'm gonna just focus on Tesla for you guys so there's no confusion on which one I'm talking about. I'm gonna just have a SPY on the side to see what's happening. So could I have still entered a call for SPY? Yeah, I could have. You know what I mean? I really could have. But I'm just on Tesla right now. So when I'm on a trade, I usually don't like to do that. Switch two different trades. Okay, we'll see what happens here. As long as we're underneath this zone, I'm fine. I am fine to place my put. Right now we're approaching that zone, so I gotta be careful. That's it. That's all I gotta say to you guys. I have to be what? Careful. If sellers do not hold this, I have to. Oh, sellers are holding it. I'm gonna go ahead and add in. It was a little too late to add in. I would have liked to add in right here. It was a little too late. I ain't gonna lie. I added in a little too quickly. But I am seeing wick. That's why I did add it in. So we'll see what happens. Good. Very good. The wick really stepped in. Good. That wick came in clutch. Appreciate it. But we'll see though. Like I said, this is a major level. Why do you think we immediately got pushed back up to the zone, right? So I did add into my put. I add in like right here though. I would have liked to add in like in here. But we're fine. I still did very well. So my put is not moving much. So this is a sign of a potentially it could move up. You know what I mean? But I'm not here to predict what's going to happen. I'm here to look at the information in front of me and then make a decision. You know what I mean? That's the thing about trading. Like, don't fall in love with that could happen because you have no control. You don't know what's going to happen. But look at the decision in front of you. Make a decision right in front of you without knowing the one that's going to happen. That's all you can do, right? I made a decision right in front of me. I saw this wick go down. You know what I mean? I said, you know what? I want to go ahead and add to my put. But as soon as I did that, you know what I mean? We're fine. We'll see. We will see. We're going to break this level. I do want us to break this level, to be honest. We're already up 50 some dollars right here, 3%. Nothing too special right now. I do want to see this break. I am following that one advice where just to like hold, instead of like scalping so like small, I want to see if I can hold it. You know what I mean? Hold it a bit longer. That's kind of what that's really is my goal at this point. It's not about the money. It's like I'm trying to train myself to hold through. If I'm seeing certain information, I'm able to hold them able to without having the influence of the money. You know what I mean? That's really it's my goal. Really, that's really what it comes down to. I'll be honest with you guys. This week, that is my goal. Right? If we can see this break, that would be great. I'm very tempted to take something out right now. Beautiful wick of rejection here. Like, what in the world right now? You know what I mean? What in the world right now? Right? So I'm going to go ahead and take something out here because it's obvious, right? We're getting to this one now. So I know we're probably going to break it, but I want to go ahead and just took something out. So we'll see if we can continue to hold here. Doing pretty well. We're doing very well here. So let's take a look at SPY real quick. Take a look at SPY here. It went to that level, that wick. Oh, what the heck? Why is it on the 5 minute? My bad. You see that? It went to that level and it's rejecting, so I could have traded that one. Let's take a look at TSLA. I just want to show you guys that real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take one more out because it's just looking too sauce right now. Looking too sweet. Too sweet. Okay. We made our money for the day, really. We really did. I'll be honest with you guys. We did pretty well. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it. I think we did pretty well, I gotta say. 120 a day is my average. It's what I like. I think we can call it. I won't be trading anymore. I did very well today. I think this is one of my best trading experience. I say that because we're looking to accomplish a goal. And the goal is not necessarily monetarily. It's like, can I hold through levels? Can I hold through levels? And that's what I did today. And I think I did pretty well, right? You guys can clearly see that. You guys can clearly see that, right? I think I did good. What do you guys think? Put in the comment below. And lastly, I would like that you guys go ahead and place a like button and subscribe. Share it to your other friends who are also into trading and they want to get started. They want to see an example of a trader. You know what I mean? You guys saw. I was being honest with you guys, right? I was being honest with you guys. What's happening? What's this, right? So appreciate you for liking the video and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And this week I saw that I've hit we hit 100 subs. So appreciate you all for that. For real. So this Friday I do plan on going live with you guys. I'll also record, of course, and I'm gonna also go live at the same time. So that's what we're gonna do this Friday. So join me this Friday, this coming Friday here. I'll place a post later on today. So let's take a look at SPY real quick. See if we can get a rejection on SPY. Ooh, so now we can actually trade a put on SPY because of this rejection here. We could just go ahead and place a put here for SPY. Light put, but we're gonna see. If this body were to close below, I might look into it, but very tempting to trade a put on SPY right now because of these 2 wicks, 2 wicks. The reason why I was hesitating to look into maybe doing a potential, put when it was approaching this level, that's because, number one, we're really well above the VWAP, and number two, we're also above this level and this level. You know what I mean? There's a lot of things kind of going against me to place a put when I'm seeing this wick. The only thing that's with me is seeing this wick, this long wick, which is really good thing to do, like to trade. You know what I mean? That it. Now we're below the VWAP. We're below the VWAP. I'm tempted, guys. Tempted. I'm gonna go ahead and place one put for SPY. How about that? Let's do that because we're crossing that level. It just looks too sweet. Just looks too sweet. I'm gonna get one more in. Ooh, going above it, which I suspected it, so I gotta be careful. As long as we're below the VWAP, I'm fine. Listen, my risk is so tight right now, right? It's above that's my risk. My risk is what? Above the VWAP. Right? If we go above the VWAP, I'm out of the position. That's like literally a tight risk right now. There's no other risk than this. Right here is literally my risk. If we go above this VWAP. Because right now I'm willing to trade now because now guess what? I have now more things that came into my favor to place a put. Why? Number one, this wick right here, which was my only one earlier, right? And now I got this wick right here in my favor. Now I got this line. This support that also came in my favor, right? So I got 3 things that are in my favor now, right? And as well as 4, actually. Now we're below the VWAP. There we go. I got 4 things in my favor, so I place a put. But I gotta be careful. As long as, like I said, right, we're below here, I'm willing to hold this through. I think we're gonna break it, but we'll see what happens though. We're getting a wick, of course. We're going above the VWAP now, so I'm gonna be selling it soon. This is just a quick light, you know what I mean? Just to see things out. See if we're gonna go up to that line. Here we go. What's against me? Here's the thing that against me. The pre-market action is against me, right? What is the pre-market action indicating? It's bullish. So that's against me. What's also against me? This level. This level. You know what I'm saying? So those are major things that are against me. So I think my odds are okay. It's still risky, of course. Never go against the pre-market action. But as long as you're also, along with the, as long as this is supporting you, the VWAP is supporting you, you're fine. VWAP is supporting is equivalent to having like, two supports. Sorry, two major levels supporting you. Like the VWAP supporting you is like power, basically. It's like double the power. Nice. We also got a close below the VWAP. So we're willing to hold this put, guys. We're willing to hold this put and see what happens. But if we go to our tight level, we're going to have to get out. That's really all there's to it. As long as we're seeing a wick on the VWAP, we're fine. We start to move up the VWAP to that line, then we have to call it a loss, which is all right. We expected that, right? We expected that. But I do want to see a break here, though. If we can break this level, bro, like that would be so juicy. Now that we're approaching our level, we do have to just give this back, and that's fine. Oh, nice. We got the wick. Very good. Wick came in clutch. Come on, sellers, step in here. Good. Very good. We're getting a VWAP rejection. Very, very, very good, guys. I like that. I like that. I think we can hold this through. Let's take a look at Tesla on the side here. Ooh, Tesla's dumping. Like, yeah, very good. I like that we had this wick. Good. So this is very good on the downside. Tesla's a mess right now, I repeat. I'm telling you, it's like, I don't want to show you guys how messy it is. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Now it's getting a pushback, which is fine because this level here, which is expected. Okay, we're getting a pushback again. I'll be ready to get out if it goes to that level. Here's what I'm gonna go ahead and make this full screen for you guys. How about that? What do you guys think? Clutch or not? Right? Here we go. We're getting a wick here. We got a, so now I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in my favor. 5 items. 5 probabilities. Like my probabilities went up. My win percentage went up. Or you know what I mean? Like the likelihood this position going into my favor went up. That's what I mean by that. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna hold this you know, 2 contracts in place. It's fine. Yeah, we're gonna sell these 2 contracts at a break even. If we lose, it's fine. Okay, we got a wick here because it's expected to get. Remember, this is a level. So why do you think we have a wick? Right? It's expected. This is expected. It's fine. We have nothing to lose here, guys. I repeat, we have nothing to lose. If this thing goes here, we're gonna just give back 15 bucks. That's fine. We're gonna call it even 20 bucks. We'll give it. It's fine. We're risking 20 bucks. All right, literally. We've already made our profit, right? So we're fine. Literally, bro. We're gonna just hold this through and see if we can sell it in here around this level. That's our plan. Here we go. We're getting a wick here right now. And we're losing our little bit of our money that we're making. So we're going to be ready to, if this thing spikes above this level, right? Oh yeah, guess what? We also got now this thing that came in our favor. This level, now it came in our favor. So it looks like things are shifting now, right? I'm getting more items that are going into my favor for my probabilities. Yeah. So you have to look at trading as probability. I repeat. Like, look at trading as probability, not something you can control and all that stuff. Like, once you make that switch, you'll feel a lot better, to be honest. I'm telling you guys. We sit back, we relax. Ooh, we're getting a wick. We're getting a wick. We're getting a wick. Beautiful wick here. Oh my goodness. Are we going to pass this level? Are we going to pass this level? Here we go. Our buyer's going to push it above this level, or our seller's going to say, nah. Oh, and okay, buyers are doing good. Oh, sellers coming in. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, okay. Sellers stepped in. Sellers said nah. Sellers, they said nah. But we'll see what happens here because buyers are pretty strong. Like, look at this. Look at that. Like, buyers are strong right now. But sellers, by the way, new sellers need to step in at this level because we have new buyers that came in here. So here we go, here we go, here we go. So we have to be careful, we have to be careful. We're going to be selling here, and that's fine. That's okay. At this point, we can confidently say that our stop loss, bro, could be here, to be honest. You know what I mean? Like at this point, like I think we're you know what I mean? Yeah, this is the very fact that we're closed below here. We open below here. I don't know if we open below this line or not, but I think we're pretty confident to say that we can move our stop loss down here. We got nothing to lose, guys. This is W for us at this point. It's just W, all right? That's all there's to it. Let's go. Seller said, nah, you ain't going anywhere. You're getting grounded. That's what seller said, right? Seller said, nah, you need to go nap. You need to what? Go nap right here. Go to this level or this level. That's what sellers are saying to the buyers. Go nap. You know? But we'll see what happens here because, you know, buyers can certainly say, nah, we got the pre-market with us. You know what I mean? But we'll see what happens here. Finally, we broke this level. Now, guess what? Now we got more things that just came into our favor. Now we got, oh, okay, we got a wick. That's fine. But the very fact that we broke this level, that means, you know what I mean, that it's going to be fine. We're going to be fine. Ooh, nice, bro. Like, buyers are really stepping in. Like, buyers are stepping in. Like, I got to give shout out to the buyers. They're stepping in. Look at that. Right? One little crack here, more buyers came in. But more sellers have to come into this level now. So we got to be prepared. We got to be prepared. If this is weak, we got to get out. Because I'm realizing the contract's not moving much anyway. So it could be possible that buyers are going to, you know, take this over all the way up. To be honest, the very fact that our put contract is not moving pretty strong. Or maybe the fact that I only have 2 in. Maybe that's the case. But that's still got to be careful. Even though knowing that my odds are like extremely high now that I'm going to be winning this trade. Like extremely high. Because you know how many things that just came into my favor now? Look at this. 1, 2, the VWAP. 3, this level. 4, this level. Come on, bro. 5, these 2 wicks here. 6, this wick. We're fine. We're fine. Beautiful dip down here. Beautiful. We can take something here right now, guys. We can. We ain't going to be greedy. We're going to go ahead and take this 20 bucks. Let's take it. Let's take it, bro. Why not? Let's take it. No, so we're going to hold this for that break even. We're going to see if we can come all the way here. This is pretty fun, ain't it? This is trading. Seriously. So I appreciate you all for liking. And I appreciate you all for subscribing. For real, for real. So I make trading simple. Literally, trading should be very, very, very simple. Anyway. Now we wait. We sit back, we relax, we wait. Basically. Nice. Look what happened here. Right? Buyers pushed it back up now. Now we gave back this level. That's fine. We gave back what? This level. And that's all right. That's all right. Tesla is reacting. Tesla's looking to push up now. Tesla's what? Looking to push up. Let me show you a quick glance of Tesla. We're going to go right back to spot here. Look at that. Tesla's the one. Oh, wow. It rejected the view up here. So I say, hey, it ain't going anywhere. All right. SPY. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Now buyers said, nah. Yeah, buyers pushed it back down this level. So now we took this level now. We gave it back earlier, right? And now we got it back. Very good. Very, very good. I kind of wish I had 3 contracts in place. No, I don't wish that, bro. There's a reason why I only had 2. Why is that? Because I'm already up well in the green. I don't need to add more risk. So cool off the ego, all right? That was a conversation for me, by the way. Shall I let you guys know? Now, here we go. So now buyers are making another attempt to claim this level. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, they're winning. They claimed it. They claimed it. We're less than a minute right now closing. Oh, buyers said nah. Buyers are saying nah. You are going to sleep. Yeah, I think buyers are going to lose at this point. Yep. We got less than a minute right now for this 10-minute to open. If this candle opens here, we're holding through, guys. We're holding through all the way this level. If the next candle open below this level, we're clutch. We're clutch. We're clutch. Come on. Let's go. Let me see some wick. Let me see some wick here. Come on. Oh gosh. If we're not seeing wick, I gotta get out. We need to see a wick here to claim that sellers have officially claimed it. Good, we're seeing a wick. The very fact that sellers managed to close below, that already tells you they basically claimed this level. Like, this is now sellers level at this point. Look what happened here, right? This is what sellers want to do. But I gotta shout out to the buyers how much they're fighting here. I gotta give them props for that. But they need to go to sleep. All right, I'm not on their side right now. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. I'm gonna bring this down. I'm very tempted to close in my following that one advice. Maybe like right here for my stop loss. You know what I mean? Because at this point, I don't think I need to. Yeah. Okay. This is my new stop loss, by the way. Good. We're seeing a wick here, guys. So that means good. That means sellers have are showing their dominance at that level. They're saying, nah, bro, you gotta cool down. So we'll see what happens here. If sellers manage to take over this level, then I gotta be like, all right, cool, gotta be concerned here at this point. I gotta respect the buyers. All right, let's take a look at Tesla. Oops, what is that? TSLA. All right, so Tesla is holding this level, looking to move up. They're close. Yeah, Tesla is basically done at this point. Yeah. Good, very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it a big screen here. Buyers have stepped in, guys. I repeat, buyers are looking to say we want our level back. We want our level back. So this is now the zone that sellers need to like hold here to here. You know what I mean? This is a selling zone here. So we'll see. Enough buyers stepped in to clear the zone and go up to the VWAP. Gotta respect it. And we're giving back our gain, which is fine. This is just one contract. We want to see if we're gonna we're going to our stop loss here. And we gotta get out. All right, we respect that. We what? We respect. Oh well, we actually made a little money. I might buy again, guys, if we start to see the wick again. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I might enter if we see a wick. I'm seeing a wick so far. But we need to clear this wick. We need this body to go below here for me to re-enter a put. Okay, good. Come on, up. All right, so sellers are weakening now. So we gotta respect the buyer's effort. Gotta give them props and, just go ahead and, just give them a, you know what I mean? Just congratulate them and respect them, and that's it. That's fine. But I'm right now, the market is still indicating selling pressure because what? So right now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So enough buyers stepped in to manage to go to the VWAP for a retest. So we'll see if now new sellers are gonna step in at the VWAP and say, nah. You know what I mean? And if that happens, that's what we enter. Well, we need to see a wick for us to enter here. That's it. We need to see a what? Exactly. So very good. Let me go all the way here. Here we go. Okay, we're seeing wick. We're gonna be ready to buy. All right, wick's getting cleared. Come on. So this is a VWAP retest we could have entered. Oh yeah, I know we could have entered for sure. But I'm more interested in this level. I want to see more evidences. Like, I want to see more stronger. I want to see more what? I want to see more stronger effort. Like a stronger, you know what I mean? Like, if I see a wick all the way down here, that means I can confidently enter a put. You know what I mean? So I want to see that. So look at that right now, right? All the sellers that were this candle are getting dominated. Like, they're now switching. Like, not necessarily switching, but like the amount of supply that got dumped, it got picked up. Right? It's getting picked up. So a lot of buyers did step in. So now we're going to see if sellers are now going to hold the VWAP. If they're holding the VWAP, I'm willing to place another put. That's it. And this is my long-term play, by the way. We don't have to worry about it. By the way, we've already made our money. So we're not here like taking more than one to two contracts. Like, there's no way. At this point, this is just play for me. So I'll let y'all know. I want to see a wick here. If I see a wick here, we go below here. I'm willing to add a put. Oh, wick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I went ahead and added one put here. Let's go. We came back to that level, so I'm gonna go ahead and add back in. Here we go. I got 2 contracts in now at this level. Let's go. Let's go. This is what I wanted to see. Now, if you start to pass above here, you know what I'm saying? Above this zone, so I have to respect it and call it. You know what I mean? But we'll see what happens. Our risk is pretty small right now. Okay. All right. We're going back up now. I'm going to add one more here because we did saw a wick at that level. So we need to see a push down here or else we're going to be giving back our gain. So this is going to be our new, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. Our new level here above the VWAP. I mean, see, basically right here. Our risk is right here, right? I need to see a wick. This candle needs to close below here. If we start to move above that VWAP again, I'll have to respect our loss and just give back, $10 or so. That's our, risk right now. We got to be careful not to give back our profit. At this point, this is not trading. This is just for entertainment purposes only, basically. All right. And we're going to our stop loss. Okay, that was stupid of me. All right. All right, that was ridiculous. All right, we just gave back our money. Here we go. Yep. We gave back our money. All right. So I got to respect the buyers. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I just want you guys to really see. Yeah, that was quite impressive, actually. Yeah, that was pretty impressive. So now things have now shifted on the call side, right? Things have now what? Shifted on the call side. Take a look at Tesla here. All right, Tesla's rejecting here again. Let's just focus on SPY. Oh, wow, I still got 1 contract in. That's not good. I thought I sold all of it. Oops. Wow, we really gave back a lot of our gain, by the way. So I'll let you guys know that. This is what happens when you play around. Don't play around with money. So don't do what I did, guys. This is ridiculous of me. But I wanted just to kind of, show you guys what's up. And also for me to really learn. So I actually paid that, amount of money right now. To really to see if my emotions are good. You know what I mean? To not be affected by the fact that I made money. So this is a more of something I wanted to pay money to experience. So I think I just wanted to see my level and see. So I think I did pretty good. Now, beautiful uptick here. We're going to this wick, of course. Are we going to trade put here? No, because we give back a lot of our probabilities, right? A lot of things that were in our favor, we give back, right? So that's why we're not going to trade this put here. We'd rather be trading call at this point if it comes to a retest, right? We have less than 10 minutes here. And let's take a look at Tesla here while we wait for a retest. See what Tesla's doing. Could I still buy a call here and have a tight stop loss on this level? Yeah, I could. I could have a, tight stop loss here, but I'd rather just wait for the view of retest, see if that's gonna. Because right now we're just too close to this level. We might get a push down to the VWAP. Oh, wow. Very, very good. Tesla's looking sweet right now. I think I'll be ready to trade Tesla. If it claims level, the fact that we have no wick here, barely a wick here, that means we're going to be going on the upside here. Now I'm going to be on the buying side for Tesla. I need to see a wick on the bottom. As I'm seeing wick on the bottom, I'll be willing to buy here. I could have, okay, good. Yeah, Tesla's it. Tesla's showing buyers. Tesla's showing buyers. So I'm going to go ahead and buy Tesla real quick as well, because we are seeing a wick for Tesla. We're seeing a wick for Tesla, right? We're seeing what right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look right here. So let's all eyes on Tesla right now. Good. We're seeing this wick right here. That's what we got in. Right, here we go. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Because we saw this wick, that's how we got in. That's literally why we got in. And the put, the call's not moving really well. I don't like it. I don't like that the call's not moving well. Maybe I'm not on 3 contracts, that's why. So we're gonna see if we're gonna, okay. Okay, we need to claim here, move up. We need to get over this wick here. Yeah, we need to go over this. There are wicks here. Once we go over this one, then that means we're likely gonna have this run up. Beautiful reversal for Tesla, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna be, of course, selling it at a break even if it goes below this level. This is the zone that we bought here. We bought this zone because we had the VWAP supporting us as well. Okay, we're getting a really, wick here. So this is a selling wick, so we gotta be careful. I'm willing to add though if it goes to here, because right now my odds are up there that this is likely gonna be a move up. But of course, I gotta be careful. I'm going to add here. Wow, this wick is really getting cleared up. So I gotta be careful here. And this would be my stop loss. I wanted to add it to that zone again. So I think this is a good stop loss right here, to be honest. I think I can confidently say that if Tesla rejects the move up. It's not likely to, just because of, right? I'm going to explain, remember, like I said, trading is probability, right? So you have to look at what's in your favor, what's not in your favor, what's increasing your, what's increasing your odds and what's not increasing your odds, right? So right now, I always like to trade with the VWAP. And so what's in my favor for a call, right? What's in my favor for a call? Well, right now okay, so this is actually above, well, this is actually the low of the day, or the low of the pre-market that I marked at. All right, cool. So we essentially basically bounced off the, basically, as we came near the low of the pre-market. Look at this wick here, right? That's probably what's going on. So what's in my favor and what's against me, right? What's in my favor is the VWAP. It's in my favor. What's in my favor is the price action of the pre-market, right? There's a bullish upward. What's in my favor is this turnaround that happened, right? This turnaround from going below the VWAP to now above the VWAP. That's in my favor. That's 3. That's 3 is in my favor, right? And we also got this level, this beautiful wick right here, right? And claiming this wick here. So that's basically 5. So there are 5 elements that are in my favor to have a call. To have a what? A call. Cool. What's against me? What's against me is this wick. This candle, I should say. That's against me. All right? That's against me. That's all. And as well as this right here, these levels, which is fine. They're not really major because as we approach, I'll be selling them anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take some in here. We finally claimed. I'm just going to take one out. It was a little too early to do it though, to be honest. Because since we're climbing right back up, we're likely going to be moving all the way up here. That's essentially what it is. All right. So at this point, there are more things that are in my favor to have a call. And I'm fine. Right? We're fine. We can basically sell this right now and call it a day. You know what I mean? Because that was what I did earlier was just entertainment purposes only. That's funny. So here we go. So there's more things in our favor than there are things that are not in our favor. That's how you gotta look at it. So here we go. Can we move up to this level? I'm tempted to sell here, guys. But again, remember, I paid, so I'm able to what? Hold through levels. So I paid earlier some money. Gave back some nearly 40 bucks or so, right? Up there. So I'm able to hold through levels, sell it to up here. So now as we approach here, that's what I'll be selling. Here we go. So that was an investment. That was an investment, basically. And now I got my investment, returning my investment back. Because I was trying to hold as we get closer to this level. Hold some. And so yeah, I did pretty good. So now I'm gonna hold the other one See if we're gonna break above it. Hey, see, that's beautiful. I wish I had all 3 contracts. I was trying to sell it here. So I guess my investment team came in clutch. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're fine, guys. I'm playing around. We did good. We actually did very good, actually. To be honest, we did very well. So my investment, for that entertainment purposes only, came in clutch. All right, because I was just trying to see if I can like do it again, like not be phased the fact that I already made my money in a short period of time. You know what I mean? Like the ability to like, oh my God, don't trade again, don't trade again, don't trade again, because I've already made my money. I'm like, nah, I'm not dependent on that right now. I'm gonna look at the chart and just trade. So I was trying to work on that. So anyway. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you all for joining. This has been a fun trade. As you guys can see, day trading should be very, very simple. You can easily make money, but you gotta learn. You gotta go through the trenches. You gotta learn. And day trading, to be honest, if you can learn, hear me out, right? Hear me out. 80% of day trade, the mistakes, it's you, like your emotions. You know what I'm saying? Your ability to like, if you can take care of that and the ability to reach a level where you can just trade like your rules like robotically, you're clutch. That's actually easy, but you have to first learn about you, because that's what day trading will teach you. It'll teach you about you. Like day trading will teach you. Like you'll learn things about yourself you never know. Like it's surreal. So yeah, this is day trading, guys. This is it right here. You know what I mean? So I hope that this is very simple for you to understand and see what I'm doing. And appreciate you guys for liking the video and subbing to the channel for real. And leave your comment below, and I'd love to answer your questions. And give me a feedback on how I'm trading. You know what I'm saying? I would like to know so I can improve what I can improve, so I'll improve on it. And around what I'm doing good so I can continue on it. So I'd love your feedbacks in the comment. All right? So what's that? All said, HIT out.